Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We have an exponential equation with trigonometric terms here. 4 to the power of sine squared x plus 4 to the power of cosine squared x is equal to 3 times root 2. We want to solve this equation. Let me begin with the trig identity. Sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1. So one of them, say cosine squared x, can be written as 1 minus sine squared x. Let me plug this into our equation. We have 4 to the power sine squared, 4 to the power of sine squared x plus 4 to the power cosine squared x will be written as 4 to the power 1 minus sine squared x, and this is equal to 3 times root 2. Now this second term here, let me write, we have 4 to the power sine squared x plus, the second term can be written as 4 to the first power actually, divided by 4 to the power sine squared x. This is equal to 3 times root 2. Let me substitute a new variable. Let me call this 4 to the power of sine squared x is equal to t. Then we will have t plus 4 divided by t is equal to 3 times root 2. We'll try to solve this equation. We have t squared plus 4 is equal to 3 times root 2 times t. This is a quadratic. Let me solve this. We have t squared minus 3 times root 2 times t plus 4 is equal to 0. Using the quadratic formula, we will have t is equal to minus will become positive 3 times root 2 plus or minus this 3 times root 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 4 again divided by 2 times 1. So we will have 3 root 2 plus or minus this 3 times root 2 squared will become 9 times 2, which is 18, minus 4 times 4 is 16. So we will have root 2 again divided by 2. This will give us actually the two results will be, the first one is plus 3 times root 2 plus root 2 divided by 2 will give us 2 root 2, and the second one with minus we will have 2 root 2 divided by 2, so we will have root 2. These values are for t. Now let me show you the results for x. We have t is equal to 4 to the power sine squared x. Now the first solutions will become 4 to the power sine squared x is equal to 2 root 2. From this we will have 2 squared to the power of sine squared x is equal to, this root 2 is 2 to the power 1/2 actually. So we have 2 to the power 2 sine squared x is equal to 2 to the power 1 plus 1/2 is 3/2. So 2 times sine squared is equal to 3/2, and sine squared x is equal to 3/4. Let me show you the solutions from this part. Now this sine squared is equal to 3/4 have also two parts. We have sine x equal to, square rooting both sides, sine x equal to positive root 3 divided by 2 or negative root 3 divided by 2 if we have positive root 3 divided by 2. Then x is equal to pi over 3 plus 2 pi n, or x is equal to 2 pi divided by 3 actually, plus 2 pi n, I guess. 60 degrees and 120 degrees are the solutions. And for negative ones, x is equal to 7 pi divided by 3 plus 2 pi n, or 11 pi divided by 3 plus 2 pi n. These are the first solutions, and the second ones will come from 4 to the power sine squared x is equal to root 2. So again, 2 squared to the power sine squared x is equal to 2 to the 1/2 power. So 2 sine squared x is equal to 1/2, and sine squared x, let me write here, sine squared x is equal to 1/4. Again, these have two parts. The first one is sine x is equal to 1/2, positive 1/2, or sine x equal to negative 1/2. The positive 1/2 is for 30 degrees, so pi over 6 plus 2 pi n, or 150 degrees, 5 pi over 6 plus 2 pi n. And the negative ones are, actually here we will have 7 pi over 6 plus 2 pi n, and 11 pi over 6 plus 2 pi n. We had a mistake before. Here we will have, let me correct this, here we will have this is 60 degrees, 120 degrees, 240 degrees is needed. This is 4 pi divided by 3, I guess, and 5 pi divided by 300 degrees. And this part, in terms of degrees, we have 30, we have 150, we have 210, and we have 330 degrees. These are the general solutions for our problem. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.